you how we changed the suspension on this 1991 Nissan Pulsar GTI. Enjoy the video, and I hope you guys stay till the end.
We're gonna remove these 2 bolts, and then we're gonna remove the 3 bolts, the 3 nuts on top on the strut tower, and they'll come right out. Cool. We're removing the brake line clip, the brake hose clip. Hubiera hecho cuando estaba. We don't need that shit anyway.
There you go.
Sí, está suelto. Yo lo dejo fuerte. No te preocupes porque yo sé lo que estoy haciendo.
See, that wasn't so bad.
Muy alzado, pues la bajamos.
Nice. What are those again?
The reps, Desmonds, Regulasters.
Nice. That thing got scared. Just like, no, please. What the heck? If you could fit your shoe in there, it's not low enough. This ain't low enough.
It goes lower. If you loosen it, it goes higher.
Okay.
It's a fucking monster truck. You need a lowrider.
Mm-hmm. Lowrider. Here you go. Don't forget to tighten the thing back. This thing is iced out. Yo, what happened to your finger, bro?
Yo,
Yo, hold on.
there's got a hole in that shit. Mira, va. Se me jodió el dedo. Espérate que no siento la mano.
If you made it to the end, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I hope to see you on the next one. Peace.